Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check daily streak challenge on the Monster Legends application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen and you can find different buttons in this page. Now if you want to check your daily streak challenge, just go to the right bar at the screen and click to the first option, the daily streak challenge, and here you can check that, and you can read about the information about that, and you can check what you receive if you take that challenge. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.